Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So first of all, thank you so much guys for showing the love and support on my last video, which was Oppo F7's hands-on, and that video got 2 lakh views in a matter of 1 week, which is mind-blowing. So thank you so much guys. And one more thing is there that we have crossed 5,000 subscribers on Friday, and today is Wednesday, and we have already crossed 6,000 subscribers, which is mind-blowing too. We have crossed 1,000 subscribers in a matter of 5 days, which is insane in my opinion. So with that said, in this video I'm going to do something very special. I bought some very special thing for this YouTube channel and for myself obviously. So in this video I'm going to do an unboxing of this thing. This is, let me grab it. So guys, this is Canon 200D, and I'm going to do an unboxing of this DSLR. By the way, this is my first DSLR I bought with YouTube money. Yes, you heard me right, I bought it with YouTube money. And if you ask me how I can bought this with YouTube money, so let me explain. I bought this DSLR on EMI. This DSLR cost 39,000 rupees for me, and I got this on EMI. I paid first installment, or you can say the down payment of this DSLR, which is 13,000 rupees. I paid that 13,000 rupees from my YouTube earning, and I will gonna pay monthly installment, which will I receive from YouTube. So I will pay that money which I am gonna receive in my future. So technically I got this DSLR with YouTube money. So let's do the unboxing of this DSLR. This is Canon 200D. So let me show you the box first over here. So this is a box guys, lots of information over here. So it's not a good idea to unbox over here. Let's go to the table. So let's go. So guys, when you buy the camera, you will get a complimentary box from Canon, which is very nice thing. And this bag is of very nice quality. The quality of this bag is very nice. And you can store the camera in here, or you can carry this bag if you want to go somewhere else with the camera. So huge thumbs up Canon for providing this bag with the camera. So let's see the box first and let's open it. And there is lots of specification mentioned over here. Like I bought this with the 18:55mm image stabilized STM lens, which is quite good in my opinion. This is the latest version of kit lens. So this camera has 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor. The sensor size is APS-C. So basically this camera has the same sensor which Canon 80D had. So it's a very nice thing. And the ISO range is 25,600 for photos and 12,800 for videos. It is quite good, but let's see how's the noise performance in that kind of ISO. And you can also capture photos 5 frames per second, which is quite fast. That is not very fast for action photography, so please mind that. And the biggest thing is that it has dual pixel autofocus technology, which is the biggest reason why this camera is so popular in the YouTube industry. So this camera has dual pixel autofocus technology, which is phenomenal. And also this has the tiltable screen, which is also a touch screen. So thumbs up for Canon for providing kind of specification in the budget DSLR, which is Canon 200D. Or you can also call this camera Canon SL2 if you're living in America. And by the way guys, Canon also provides 16 GB card in this box, so huge thumbs up for that too. And there is lots of other information about importer and lots of other specification mentioned over here. So let's open the box. So guys, opening up the box, we got some paperwork. By the way, I have put that bill over here. I got this for 39,270 rupees. Then we got the 1+1, basically 2 years of warranty with this camera. So we got the warranty card for that warranty, and we got some other paperwork, and we also get this manual, which is huge. So let's put them aside. And we also got some other pamphlets over here. So if you want to read it, pause the screen. Opening up the flap, we got the 16 GB card over here, which is from Sunday, so thumbs up for that. Then we got the battery, which is LPE17, and the capacity is 1040 mAh, which is very good in my opinion. I've heard that it can take around 500 to 600 shots with the viewfinder, and you can record up to 2 to 3 hours of videos. So it's a very good kind of battery life. So moving on, we got the charger for that battery. you can slide the battery over here and charge the camera battery. And then moving in, we got the 18-55mm lens, which is the kit lens. This lens built with plastic, but the quality of the plastic is really nice. Then we got the strap and the camera body itself. So guys, this is the Canon 200D. Looks pretty small in my opinion, and the weight is quite light too. I have already used the 80D, which was not mine by the way. So in comparison of 80D, it is very light. And as you see here, there is lots of button. This is a mode dial. There is lots of modes over here, like fully automatic, no flash, scenes and manual, aperture priority, shutter priority. There is lots of modes and buttons over here. I will do a full review if you want. So let me know if you want a full review. So I will explain everything about this camera in that video. This is basically just an unboxing video. So let me insert the battery. By the way guys, this camera also accepts the microphone. If you want to insert the microphone over here, you can insert it. So guys, now it's time to insert the battery as well as the memory card. So let's insert the battery and memory card. So as you see here, it's very easy to insert the memory card and battery. You can do that by watching this video. And let's remove the cap of the lens, match the white column and connect the lens. That's it. Now let me open it and turn on the camera. So guys, this is the camera itself. That's all about this camera. I will leave some samples after this video, so you can see that sample of video as well as photos, so you can judge the quality of this camera. So these are all the samples guys. In my opinion, it is super awesome and I'm really impressed with the camera. And by the way, it can record up to 1080p 60 fps, which is quite good in my opinion. So this is all the things that I want to tell you guys. The kit lens is not that good, but it's quite perfect for the price. And if you want to improve the quality of your video, you can use any kind of prime lens. It will give you much more sharpness and details if you use prime lens. I'm not going to use prime lens for now. I am going to use prime lens in future. If I will get some money, I will buy a prime lens. So for now, I'm going to use this kit lens only. So that's all. So guys, this was the unboxing of Canon 200D, which I have bought with YouTube money. So that's all in this video guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, and don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. By the way, if you want to buy this camera or any of my gear, I will leave the link in the description box below. You can buy from that link. It will help out the channel. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.